Daily looks strongly bullish in GBP. There is no wick on the downside. It's a strong candle and it was holding for 1, 2, 3, 4 days now, and this was a hammer. So we are strongly bullish in GBP for daily. 4 hour looks bullish, but there is a continuous move, no retracement so far. This can be an inverted hammer, but still there is 2 hours for the candle to close. This also does not have a wick. The only thing I don't like is there was no retracement so far. 1 hour inverted hammer. You can see from tomorrow only red green candles without retracement. That's the one thing I don't like. The trend is bullish, but there was a pending retracement. This candle can be the retracement. Let's see. Okay, so it is in the 15-minute order block. There is a 15-minute fair value gap. So we need a 5-minute break of structure at least, because it has stretched, and yes, the trend is bullish, no doubt, but there is no retracement for it to continue. It can exhaust, it can move in the New York session, it might retrace in this session. That's why our plan is bullish, but we want a 5-minute break of structure, not 3 minute, because the displacement is there. This was a good move, but the displacement is the same, so this goes neutralized, and we need at least a 5-minute break of structure for confirmation. Let's see if there is a retracement in euro, then we can look for buys. Okay, so in daily there is a different story. It has a continuous green candle. This candle is also strong candle. Inverted hammer retracement, you can count this as a retracement. That a pattern, a candle with a wick, but this candle was also not bad. Current candle is looking strong in daily. 4 hour, it can be a sweep, and it can continue for the downside. Okay, so it almost swept these highs. It can continue. I'm still bullish, but the retracement is not there. It's an inverted hammer. That's the problem. The trend is bullish for the day, but for the session, I doubt that it's bullish for the session also. So let's see. Let's say 1 hour is. It is in 1 hour fair value gap. It has given a break of structure in 15 minutes after the day was trendy, and now it gave a break of structure, so it can continue for the downside. For the session, I am bearish. Bullish, it is confusing. I might not go with the full quantity because overall trend is bullish, but the chart is telling for the session the story is different. The displacement is good, so it can continue for the downside. Maybe I'll look for sales instead of buys, but I'll go with lesser quantity than $15, so around $10, maybe 7.5 or $10 for the session. The session is a little low probability for euro and GBP. So what to do? What to do? I want a bullish displacement, same, but we will go with the trend. We might not get a trade, but that's fine. We would not trade if that is not trade, because this session can be a retracement session and the momentum can continue in New York session, but fine, we won't trade. Let's see if there is a retracement in other pairs. Okay, so same as euro, continuous green candle. It can sweep these highs, and 4 hour bullish. This is a good candle, but let's see 1 hour. Okay, so in 1 hour, this is a better chart. Let's look for news first. No bank holidays. We have already made the mistake once and we won't repeat it twice. Okay, no red folder news. And in the evening session there is a red folder, so we might not trade. Let's see. I'll not trade evening session. There's 8:30 news, so there is a normal news at 8:15 also. I might not trade the New York session. And Yeah, I won't trade New York session. I will take a break. 15 minute is good that it is bearish. The displacement is there, so I think I'm wrong about the direction of the market. Overall, it is bullish, but this session will be a retracement session. That's what I think. Okay, so let's see. I want same, but I like to trade the trend. So AUD 5-minute breakout structure and same plan in AUD, Euro, and GBP. We'll wait for a 5-minute breakout structure for the upside. That is, I don't think. Okay, JPY and gold are our hope because the trend is correct, but the timing is not matching. It can be a retracement. That's why I don't wanna. And yeah, if anything happens, no, we are going with the trend, so we can go with full quantity. If 5-minute breakout structure happen, I might go 2/3. Let's see, as per the candle. If there were strong candles, then I will go with full quantity. Otherwise, half quantity. Daily JPY looks bearish. Gave a breakout structure. The test of the order block, daily order block. This candle has no wick and it's still forming. It can continue for the downside. 4 hour is a little different story. Okay, so it gave a breakout structure and it met the target of, you can say, this trend, and now it can continue for the higher side. It gave a breakdown. The downside isn't that strong. The pullback, it is almost like a pullback. The green candles were strong, the displacement was good, but the red candles are not that strong, so it is a pullback and it can continue for the higher side. I think I am wrong about the session. Overall trend, like we are bearish about other pairs, but it might not work out. 4 hour looks bullish, and 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour downside. The displacement for the downside is expected because selling happens fast, but when you see a displacement for the upside, then yeah, it can be a reversal in the trend. So this was a very good displacement, and so far after this exhaustion, it gave a pullback. It can continue for the upside, and we will look for upside in JPY. I might not trade other pair. Other pair are more likely to fall. That's why we are looking for 5-minute breakout structure, which is unlikely to happen. 15-minute looks good. This W pattern, this is a strong candle. This is also a strong candle. But where will we enter? That's the thing. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so this is what it already did it for. I don't think. Okay, if it retraces, then it's a good trade. This was already a good trade. This candle, this is a very strong pattern. I think I'm wrong about the trend. GBP, Euro, AUD, it will fall in the session. I'll avoid them. I will see what happens, but my focus is on JPY, and let's see if we get something in gold. So far, this was already a good place to enter, but this is not a session. Okay, it gave a breakout. I don't think it will retrace, but we will have to wait for a confirmation new session. If it manipulates, then it will be a great trade. So I need a retest of this zone. So that is a 5-minute order block. 5-minute order block retest and 1-minute breakout structure. And in JPY, I will go with full quantity. Let's see gold. I don't think. Okay. Gold. There was a good displacement for the upside. It should have stayed around here. This fall is not good. Okay, it is not bullish. And daily, let's see what kind of displacement was there. Is this because of a news? Let me first check the chart. Technically, it gave a breakout, but after going these highs, it should have not retraced this much. 4 hour looks sideways so far. This is in this range, and 1 hour, the displacement is there. Is it because of any news that I missed? CFCN AUD, no, no news. 12:30 a.m. Okay, so these this is of the morning. No news. Displacement is there for the downside. Overall, it is bullish. After this, it gave a breakout. This is normal retracement. The only thing is the displacement of this candle is something I'm worried about. Otherwise, if it were a normal pullback, with if it would have gone like this, that would have been better. But the problem is, it came like this, straight fall. The displacement for the downside. But still, we have a range. We'll look for buys. We are bullish of in the market. I will. Our only focus is gold and JPY. I'll look on the other pairs, but I might not trade them. Okay, so we already have a 5 minute breakout structure. Okay, a 3 minute displacement or 1 minute displacement of this. There are 3 wicks over here. I want a 1 minute displacement, 1 minute breakout structure. You can say this candle, a candle should close above this zone, then it is a good trade. Let's see, market is open. Our main focus is JPY, and okay, so it is in the order block, our 1 minute breakout structure, and I'll enter in JPY. Same in gold. These are our priorities. We will get a trade immediately. Gold is also about to give a breakout. This pattern is good. If gold doesn't close it, then fine. We won't trade. AUD is giving the 5 minute breakout structure we wanted. So as per plan, I'll go half quantity in AUD. So I'm in AUD. Risk is around $7, $8, $9, $10. I'm not confident. It doesn't look like a good trade, but we'll go as planned with half quantity. Gold isn't retracing, giving a breakout. This can be a good trade. It can be a manipulation. We have a swing now, 3 minute swing that we can trade off. And the good thing is it's inside a zone. Well, maybe in I should have waited for a 1 minute break of structure in this zone, but fine. GBP is also giving a 5 minute break of structure, but I'll wait for gold rather than trading euro or GBP. GBP is looking better than AUD because the break of structure happened over here, and in chip AUD it happened somewhere around here. So this is the more momentum. But if it hits SL, then both will hit SL after all. Maybe we won't get a trade in gold. That's fine. If it gives a breakdown, then I will not trade. It's good if it is manipulating. Let's see. So I'm in gold. Okay. No problem. We are in three trades. Let's see. Gold looks good. It can give more than 1:3, but our target will be 1:3. It can take the Asia highs. Manipulation was good. The breakout is also good. AUD, we got okay. So we got stopped out in AUD. So what is our last trade? JPY. These are our two open trades in 5 minutes. JPY is looking good. It has a good range. It can take the Asia highs. That's not our target. And gold is also looking good. It gave a good manipulation. This candle, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles in the zone, and the candle which we traded gave a breakout, so it's a good thing. The JPY, the problem is a continuous candle, but fine. It will take a retracement, then it can continue. The only thing I'm worried about, it can sweep and then continue. But we took a good trade. That's fine. Let's see what happens. Okay, bad day again. 733 is the balance. All the three trades were losing, and we lost 10, 8, and 13, 14, $14 in gold, 10 in JPY, and $8 in AUD. The bad part is you can see it is going up, but after sweeping, same with gold, it swept and now it's going up. And JPY so far it's perished, so another unlucky day, and nothing can be done. Just follow the plan and we will see what happens on the account. That's why we decreased our position sizing to $15. So we still have more than 4% of a buffer area. Let's see. I'll see you in New York. See you tomorrow because I won't trade New York session. So bye, and I hope tomorrow gives me something new, and we are out of this losing scene because you see this. Okay, man, this is really so far. You can see how much losses. This is the account so far. Red, red, red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only a few winning streak, and you can see the losing streak is so big. It is what it is. See you tomorrow, and let's hope tomorrow we get out of this drawdown. Bye.